Alright, welcome to this n8n with Google Excel guide, okay? Today we'll discuss all the Google Excel nodes, what they do, how they work, and how to use them. Let's start with the row added trigger, which automates actions when a row is added in n8n, got it? This trigger activates on a specific event, in this case when a new row is created, okay? If we press tab, go to Sheets, select it, and go to Triggers, we'll see the trigger type is on row added, right? So when this trigger activates, our workspace, our workflow will start, okay? Here we have the credentials and how often we want it to check for updates. This is important because if we go to our personal space or select it as active, while the server is open or the project is in the cloud, it'll check every minute or hour if the list or document queue has been updated, okay? Then we'd select which document we want to look at, right? And which list or page within the document. Basically, here we have the settings, right? Open the trigger when a row is added, updated, or both. We can add different options, okay? Like adding a value render, which determines how the value will be displayed in the output, okay? If informed, formatted, or through formulas? Well, that depends on the type of information we're trying to export. For example, if we select formula, Google Sheets has formulas, right? Here it means the value won't be calculated, but the result will be the formula itself. Or if it's formatted, the values will be formatted and calculated based on the cell's formatting, okay? Based on the cell itself, basically. Then we also have the data location on sheet option, alright? This is to define the range where we'll check for row updates or additions, okay? We'd put the range here if we want to limit it. And finally, the date time render, okay? This is where we determine how dates should be displayed, alright? We can choose a serial number or the formatted date itself, okay? And that's it. We've now covered the Google Sheets trigger completely.